From 3,000 loss to business success. Never give up on your dreams. Let me share my story. When setbacks hit, including a loss of £3,000, I didn't let it to destroy me. Instead, I kept going, focusing on my determination to keep chasing my own dreams. Trying a different approach, I distributed leaflets to find some clients. Waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning, I discreetly dropped leaflets in Muswell Hill, North London, wearing a baseball hat. Although the response was modest, it marked an important step forward. Leaflet distribution proved to be a very affordable way to promote my business and gain some attention. Building a brand takes consistency and a lot of determination. While I explored all the marketing strategies, I never forgot the value of dropping leaflets. They remain a simple yet effective method to start a business and get noticed at least. Remember, every small effort counts when building your brand. Embrace every opportunity, no matter how small, and never give up on your dreams. Success is not the end. Failure is not the end. What matters is having the courage to keep going. Winston Churchill. Follow for more videos sharing my own stories. I'll see you soon.